the one-arm kettlebell swing. Very similar to the kettlebell swing, with the one exception that you're holding the kettlebell with one hand instead of two. So, same criteria apply. Neutral spine, you're bending at the hips and knees, just enough so that your hands are touching the knees. With your free hand, I want it to the side. I like making a fist, but that's personal preference. With the free hand, I'm going to pick up, let it go back, and pop my hips. And it's coming to the center of my body, and I'm going to exhale when it goes up. When I'm done, I let the kettlebell go back and floor, and that's your one-arm kettlebell swing. Make sure, few tips, make sure that you keep the shoulder blade engaged. When you do the swing, the weight is going to want to pull that arm to stay in that neutral position. That means your upper back is also going to work, and I would specifically the shoulder blades, your scapula. Core is engaged, power comes from the hips and knees, not from lifting with the arm. I think that's all the tips you need for this one. If you have any questions and you're part of my training program, please send me a message. And on YouTube, like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.